I wasn't a lover of scarf, but Jesse's scarf made it different. It is soft and easy to tie. I'll be showing you how to tie Jesse's scarf the easiest way for beginners. So get your Jessie scarf, the one that matches your dress, because it's available in different beautiful colors. So wrap it into two and put it on your head. You could see I'm going to do a twist. That is a twist so that you can roll it back on your head. So if you want to get your Jessie scarf, check the video description. It's available in various colors of your choice. You know you're a lady, right? You need to step out looking beautiful. Maybe sometimes you're putting on a dress that you just want to cover your hair. You can just get your Jessie scarf and wrap it around. It's so easy to tie. So this is me, doing the finishing of the scarf, trying to put it together. It is so easy to tie. That is because it's very soft. So you can take it in the angle that you want and match out looking very, very elegant. So you can see how beautiful it is. So easy, so simple and beautiful. Look at the back view rather. The back view is okay and very, very gorgeous. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye.